The only way is up, and this is basically the top. These guys are so dedicated. A perfect track day car. Oh, no way! I barely fit in this. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got something very, very special. This is a BAC mono, and this is Roy's car. You might remember last year we drove his Ariel Atom supercharged, which I absolutely adored. Now Roy sold that car, and you would think, well, where do you go from there? You know, that is such an insane experience already. Well, you go to something like this. I mean, the only way is up, and this is basically the top. This is BAC, Briggs Automotive Company in Liverpool. This is their view on what a perfect track day car is. You know, it should be drivable on the road as well as rip around the track. So if you want to follow Roy, you can do so on Instagram and on YouTube. So I'll link his stuff in the description and the top comment. Go check him out. He makes videos as well with his own car. So do check him out, because this is a freaking insane car. Now, unfortunately, it is 9:25 in the evening. That means that the sun has just set and we're losing light quickly. So I can't take that much time to walk around it because we have to drive it as well. So we're going to cover the coolest stuff, the most important stuff. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates when we upload a new video. And check us out on Instagram if you like, at AutoTopNL. So let's start with the principle, the concept of this car, which is the car is as wide as the driver. It's not wider than it needs to be. That means that, as you can see, if I get down here, this is all body. This is a 2018 car, so it's actually a bit wider than the first ones, but this is all body, the wheels, and then there's a big hole of nothingness with double wishbone suspension. A lot of carbon fiber, everything is carbon fiber. Push rod suspension with shocks, dampers, as you can see, all adjustable with these red knobs right there. And this all has been packaged as closely together as possible. So you have this line of everything, you know, the suspension, inboard push rod. Then you've got the driver sitting right there, behind him or her, the engine, and then the transmission. So everything is in one line, as compact as possible, as low as possible. This means that you basically have a race car with a license plate. I mean, it's quite unbelievable that this has a license plate. This car also has the optional carbon aluminium wheel, so a carbon hybrid wheel with titanium wheel nuts, carbon ceramic brakes, AP Racing, which saves some weight. So this car, the 2018, weighs in at 575 kilos. That's crazy. But this one is 25 kilos lighter because of the wheels and the brakes. So 550 kilos. Now, if we move on, you can see some air going in there as well, and a big, well, tub here with the double wishbones at the rear as well, which are all mounted on the transmission, as you can see. So there's a mono logo right there. This is a Hewland 6-speed sequential pneumatic gearbox basically from a Formula 3 car. It is absolutely insane. And in front of that, we've got the engine, which is a 2.5 liter Ford 4-cylinder by Mountune. So it started out as a 2.3 and Mountune turns that into a 2.5. It is mounted lengthwise. Normally this engine would sit like that in a car, in a Ford. This one sits like that with the transmission attached to it, which is freaking insane. We've got a third brake light on top here. I mean, the shape is just so awesome. That rear with that central mounted exhaust, that crazy diffuser. Honestly, it's probably one of the most beautiful cars I've ever seen. If you just look at, you know, this is form follows function to the max. And even though that is the case, it still looks freaking awesome. It is, these guys at BAC are so dedicated. It is such a cool thing to behold. So BAC, Briggs Automotive Company in Liverpool. Go check them out. I mean, they make some crazy cars. They just released a new one which has a turbocharged engine, I think, but I just saw that to save even more weight and to bring the weight even more to the center, they have revised the headlight units, which means that the high beams are now in the middle, and this all has been trimmed down. So the drag goes down, the weight goes down, and it looks like a Le Mans GT car. It's just super, super dedicated. Okay, so we're going to get in, but first, this is really cool as well. So this mono, you can see carbon fiber through that. So this entire body is made from carbon fiber. Really awesome. Okay, so we have to lower ourselves in here and get snug. I barely fit in this. Attach the steering wheel, which is really cool as well. So pull that. That should be attached. Okay, so that should be all right. Let's get the gloves on. And we'll turn it on as well. Okay, I have to wear these glasses to protect my eyes, obviously. I hope the angle of the GoPro is not too bad. A lot of straps going on here. Okay, so we're going to strap in and then we're going to start the car. Okay, I've got a mic down here. I hope you guys can hear me properly. Then we have to hold this button right here. That's in gear. Now we have a clutch pedal. And okay. Oh my god, this is insane. And if we drive slowly, we have to keep using the clutch pedal. Oh my god. This is insane. Oh, this is my favorite car of all time already. Oh no! What is this machine? Oh, that's insane! So we've got 305 horsepower from that engine, and it's right behind me. This is so insane. Everything just happens so quickly. Oh man, and the steering is so direct. It's like you're steering the car with your mind. The brakes are so good as well. Oh no way. How is this street legal? Is just so delicious. Oh no, no. This car ruins you for other cars, you know. There's really nothing that can even come close to an experience like this. The acceleration is so immediate. It's not even that insanely quick, like 7, 8, 5, 100 to 200. But it just feels so crazy. I'm not even going that fast, but it feels like you're going like 350 kilometers an hour. Oh man, this is exhausting, honestly. Okay, fourth gear. You can't even see anything in those mirrors. Third gear. Left lane. Normally, but this car has been geared for Silverstone, so the top speed is 235 or something like that. This is by far the craziest thing I've ever done. Oh my god, I feel like I've just been hit by a truck. Oh, the thing just responds so direct to everything. And you just feel like, I mean, yeah, you're in control of everything, but you have to be just so freaking awake to make sure that you respond accordingly. Oh my god. I'm fucking out of breath. Oh, this has been amazing. Oh, listen to that freaking click of that gearbox, the pneumatic shift. Oh, this has been incredible. Roy, thank you so much for taking your car to us. It is incredible. It is the car that ruins all other cars for you. I mean, what else is there after this? You have to drive a proper race car. So to you guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button somewhere in the middle. You can also check out this video on the right, or go check out this playlist on the left. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you at the next one. Bye guys.